Salesgenie makes it easy for sales teams to work leads together smoothly and efficiently. With built-in tools to assign leads, track progress, and manage user access, teams stay organized and focused on results. A Salesgenie team account includes two main roles. Account users are your individual team members. They can view, filter, and work the leads assigned to them. They can also build custom searches, update lead statuses, add notes, and use smart outreach for a personalized approach. Account admins are your team leads or managers. They have all the same capabilities as account users, plus a few additional tools to help manage the team. Admins can add or remove users, assign leads, monitor list activity, and manage credits as needed. With these capabilities, admins can confidently oversee lead flow and drive team success. Let's dive into Salesgenie from the admin view. Start by creating and saving a list, or open a saved search. Click the Leads Assignment button. Choose from 4 assignment types. Custom assignment lets you assign different amounts of leads to each user. Single assignment sends all leads to one user. Even assignment splits leads equally among the selected users. And fixed assignment assigns a set number of leads to each user. Select the assignment type and team members, then click Save. A message will appear at the top of your screen to confirm that your leads were successfully assigned. Now let's dive into the report dashboard to see what insights it provides. First, click the ellipsis next to any saved search. Then select View Report. The report shows key details including how much of the list has been worked, lead statuses such as hot, warm, or any custom statuses, and progress by individual users. From this screen, additional leads can also be assigned by selecting Assign Leads. Salesgenie includes admin-only settings for managing users, credits, and lead statuses. To access these, first click Settings in the left-hand panel. Under Users, admins can view active or open licenses, edit user details like login information, and add users. Under Credits, admins can view the total account credits, add or remove credits for individual users. And another feature setting is Lead Status. Admins can add custom statuses for the team, edit existing ones, or delete those that don't fit their workflow. These settings give admins full control to guide prospecting efforts and keep outreach efficient and effective. Now let's switch to the user view where team members can access their saved searches, create new ones, and manage the leads assigned to them. To get started, first click Assigned Leads. Each assigned list will appear as a tile, showing key details like the number of leads worked versus unworked, and the number of customers gained from that list. Clicking a tile opens the list view for prospecting. When notes are added, follow-ups scheduled, or lead statuses updated, a blue triangle appears in the list view to indicate the record has been worked, making it easy to track progress. From lead assignment to performance tracking, Salesgenie keeps your team connected, informed, and ready to win.